I'm going to take you through a basic understanding of Adobe After Effects. So we have up here the menu. We have, this is the screen section, we have the panel section, and we have the timeline right here. It's how we do most of the work. So first things first, get to new composition. This here, you can change your name. You can set it to 10 seconds and then click OK. So right here we have a screen, your composition right here. I'll go ahead, get to layer and pick out solid. Okay, so I'm going to keep the solid. I'm going to change this color to red. So it's right here. I will click on the corners to just make it smaller. And then I will drag it to the side right here. So we're just going to look at a basic movement. Right here, move down here, just follow where the cursor is. There's this arrow right here. I'll click that and then another will appear that indicates transform. So I have transform. I will click that arrow again. Then we have anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. So if I do with opacity, we shall see what happens with opacity. It just works as a transparency thing. Then rotation, all it does is rotates it. Okay, select this and take it back to 0. And then scale just enlarges it, just makes it bigger or smaller. I'll leave it at this size and I can click and drag it side. Okay, then we have position. If I click and move this side, it will move down or up. If I come this side here, it will move the side or the left side here, either the right or the left. So what I want to happen is, I want it to start from this point and then move all the way to this other point. So what do we have to do there? Of course, you have to key. You have to go to that time vary stopwatch. You click, and here will automatically have a small key that has presented itself. What's happening is you are telling the machine or the computer to hold it there until you move it. So you're going to go ahead and select maybe 7 seconds, depending on how long you want it to move. And once you've taken the time indicator to 7 seconds, you come right here and move the box to the very end, to where you want it to be. Yeah. So if I press spacebar, we will have it show that small animation. Just like that, and you're done. Okay, what I want to work on is a reveal of maybe some kind of text. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to horizontal type. I'll go ahead to horizontal type, click that, and then just click on the screen. I'll go ahead and type my name. And then go to the selection tool and make it a little bigger. Just follow the cursor. Okay, so this is my name. I can click and drag it and put it right there. Alright, so if I press spacebar, there's nothing like any reveal, right? Okay, so I'll take this back to 1, the first, the 0 seconds. And then I will click on Danny Storm here, click and drag it right below the red. So what we want to do is have this move, right? Actually, what I should do is select this and make it even a little bit smaller. So we have this moving. So when it starts here, when it comes to this very point here, we shall Control Shift D on the layer of Danny Stone. So there's this one that has been broken. We shall delete that, so that we have nothing happening. But as it moves, we shall have the reveal coming out just like that. So on this red solid, we had it stop at exactly 7, but we can continue just by selecting maybe 9 and going to the position and completing the whole thing just like that. As you will notice, right here it has created a new key. So if I go ahead and play, we shall have something like this. Alright, so that is just a basic type of motion graphics or motion animation in After Effects. The main thing that you need to know about After Effects is you need to find yourself comfortable with these transformations. You need to know when to move, when to pull, or even actually I can key this here, take it to 0, have it around this point here, and then bring it back to 100. So this will happen just like that. You just need to know about keying. You first click the stopwatch, then move to the second or whatever seconds you're looking for, and then tamper with the digits, and then you'll be done just like that. Alright, thank you for listening. If you have any questions, be sure to type in the comments and then I will find a way of fixing that.